In this video, we're going to take a look at a Hisense 4K TV. What's up, people? So we're going to take a look at this Hisense 4K TV that I picked up from Best Buy. Picked this up for $329. Now the reason I picked this up is because I want to create a little gaming area in my basement. Just something that I'm going to have the Xbox One S hooked up to. So I'm not really going to watch TV on this at all, or Netflix or anything like that. So I was more concerned with just how it would do with gaming. Take a look at the box over here. This is the H8 series 4K ULED Android TV. Has a full array local dimming, Dolby Vision, HDR 10, and the motion rate is 240. Also comes with a voice remote, which I'll show you here in a little bit. Here's all the apps. It's built in, and then you can also add your own apps. Google Assistant, and it works with Alexa. This is a 50-inch TV. Here's a look at the remote here. It's got your quick buttons there for Netflix, YouTube, Vudu, and Google Play. Does have Chromecast built in. Here's a look at the legs. Legs are made out of aluminum. They're pretty sturdy. I like them. They look sleek. Guys, take a look at the bezel here. There's Hisense in the middle. Bezel isn't very thick here at the bottom, and then when you get to the sides here, the bezel is non-existent. Just a closer look at the bezel. So a pretty nice design. Now the reason I picked this up is because I wanted something just to hook up to my Xbox One S, just for gaming, playing games like Gears of War or Forza, Resident Evil, stuff like that. And when I Googled TVs for gaming for 2019, this is actually one of the ones that popped up amongst your OLEDs and the QLED line, which you're going to spend a lot of money on. This was only $329, and it got really good reviews, so headed up to Best Buy and I picked it up. Here's a look at the back. So you guys can see the inputs here. Got some there. You got more on the side. Looks like it's got 4 HDMI plugs, a couple USBs. Got your Ethernet and your coaxial. Got a headphone jack there, and the power cable is over on the opposite side. As you guys can see, I already got the wall mount brackets on here. Now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and I'll go into the menu so you guys can see how the menu looks. Alright, so we'll go ahead and go through the settings real quick. Settings over to the right shows you the network, your inputs. Said you got 4 HDMI inputs there, composite. Here's your picture modes. You got vivid, standard, energy saving, theater day, game, sport, theater night, and then an auto mode. Go ahead and flip that to vivid. I don't know if you guys noticed, everything brightened up a whole lot. Got sound. It's got its own built-in sound mode here. Sounds not too bad. Definitely probably would still use a sound bar. You got your Amazon Alexa service, Google Cast, all your apps that you can manage, your screensaver. You can set a time for that to start. Got alarm setting, diagnostics. That's to set up your assistant for Google. Your storage, date, time, language. You got your keyboard, home screen, Google Assistant. The rest is all self-explanatory here. Pretty simple to navigate through your settings there. No problems, as you can see. The remote's pretty responsive. I'm not really sure how well this is going to look on my camera, but the picture's decent. It's not bad at all. Actually kind of impressed with the Hisense. I never looked to them to be a really good TV brand. I've always stuck with Samsung. I got an old Panasonic that I'm switching out to a Samsung 82-inch. I'll probably be doing a review on here pretty soon. Got some LGs and some Vizios that I'm pretty happy with, but I never had a Hisense, so this is the first for me. Give you guys an idea of the viewing angle here. It does start to suffer a little bit as you get to the side of the TV. Best viewing is in front. I don't know if you guys can tell that. Just lose some of the color and detail for the side viewing here. So I went ahead and signed into Google so I can show you guys the Google Play that you can access through this Hisense TV. Some of the apps here. Got your Pandora, Red Bull Sling. Got your streaming stars, HBO, Now, Showtime. So it's got a bunch of apps you can download here. Got free TV through Pluto, ABC, NBC, NBA. I actually got an ESPN membership, so I'll probably download that for UFC. You got your Spotify for music, iHeartRadio. So it's got everything you'd expect. Then you got your games that you can download, which is also nice. So real quick, I'll give a demonstration of the voice control on here. Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube for Android TV.
Seems to work pretty good. The mic is actually built into the remote here. It's right up here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Play Netflix. Play Stranger Things.
Okay, opening Netflix.
Play Fastest Car 2.
Okay, opening Netflix.
So it actually doesn't go to fastest car. It goes to your Netflix, which then you gotta click into fastest car, I guess. Go back home. Go ahead and see if it plays some music here. Play music.
Playing some music on YouTube.
So I went straight to my YouTube there and actually went to some of the music that I've played. Open Netflix.
Opening Netflix.
So it seems like the Google Assistant works pretty well. So now what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll set this up with the Xbox so you guys can see how it looks with the gaming. Alright, so here's a quick look at my setup here. Just got the TV on a portable stand there with my Xbox One S. It's loading up right now. Plan on hooking up a Pandora box to that TV and then probably a PlayStation Classic to that one. I'm gonna end up probably swapping out this stand with a little bit better setup here because I want to get something with a couple more shelves and everything. But there's the home screen for the Xbox One S. What I'll do is I'll give you guys some game footage and you guys can decide what you guys think about this TV and how it looks. Alright guys, so here's a look at the Forza Horizon 4. This is with all my lights on in the basement. I'll go ahead and turn them down here in a second just so you guys get a idea of what it looks like with the lights on and the lights dimmed down a little bit. Everything looks pretty good. Quick look at Forza 4 here. So you guys can see the detail and the color pop. Looks real good on the screen here. Especially when changes from daylight and different weathers and stuff. Colors pop. Trees look good. See the details in these rocks over here. Everything always looks real good in this game. Just a matter of getting a TV to be able to display that. Like how these rocks look when you hit into them. I feel like the TV does a decent job. Trees look detailed. Everything looks real good. Alright guys, we'll do one more game here. This is Mortal Kombat. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully this video helped you out if you're looking to buy this TV. If you guys got any questions about the TV, go ahead and throw those in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer those. If you guys found this video useful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel here, hit that subscription button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys get notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.
Bye.